Hello, LTK.
Hey, Amber. We're so excited to be here today getting ready for LTK Con. How did you start your day today?
Always with a cup of coffee and then jumping into my DMs, emails, Slack messages. I have to catch up on whatever happened overnight.
What's your favorite LTK in-app feature?
Oh, I love to save things. I have to make a plan and come back later.
What products do you love sharing the most?
I love sharing fancy sparkly dresses like this one, but this is not stuff that you wear every day. I know that my community really loves denim and tennis shoes, so I try to incorporate that as much as I can.
What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
Calendar everything. You have to make time for the things that you really want to do in your life and then filter everything else in.
What's your go-to coffee order?
I used to be cappuccinos only, but now I've switched to lattes because they have a little bit less milk. Although I will say that now I am ordering 2 cappuccinos because they're just not enough. So I might switch back to lattes.
What's your favorite thing about LTK Con?
All of the energy. It's so exciting to see everybody just reset and re-enthusiastic about their business before the largest quarter of the year.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Oh man. I love to read books. I love to listen to books. I love to honestly learn. And so if I'm alone, it's like a face mask and a documentary and maybe a glass of red wine and a bar of chocolate. And that's a happy place.
If you could have someone else's closet, whose would it be?
On LTK, I would say it's somewhere between Emily from Born on Fifth and Jordan Sloan.
What is your non-negotiable when it comes to buying a good pair of cowboy boots?
They have to be leather, and I prefer that they're handmade. There's so many great boot makers here in Texas, and you really just can't sacrifice for something that's not going to last a long time.
What's your favorite thing about living at the ranch?
Just being in nature, honestly. I'm online on my computer all day, so having the balance of being able to look outside and walk outside and be in nature just resets me.
What's your favorite place that you've traveled to?
I love Italy because you get the best of both worlds. You get all of the most amazing, freshest food, but then you also get nature.
Okay, this is a tough one. Shoes or handbags?
I always start with a handbag, but I quickly follow with a pair of shoes.
Hey guys.
Who's the chef in the family, you or Baxter?
Baxter would like to tell you that he is the chef in our family.
How would you describe your style?
I love architectural pieces, but I like to invest in things that last. So if I'm going to spend a good amount of money, it needs to be like a classic that I could even pass down to my daughters.
What was your first screen name?
Oh, guys, it was Baylor Babe 624.
What is a skill that you've been working on?
Cooking.
Who's the first creator you followed on LTK?
Myself, because I'm the first one to test all of our new products.
What's been your favorite LTK product launch this year?
I love the full screen, full bleed video because I can go to my favorite creators, tap in, and then watch their channel for like an hour.
Are there any LTK features coming soon that you can tease?
Oh yeah, this is the year of AI. Everything that we're doing is AI powered. We're launching this new product that allows you to it auto tags for you. So I'll upload my piece of content and then it actually already knows everything that's in it. And I can just agree and say yes and move on. It saves me like 10 minutes.
What is your favorite fashion trend of the year so far?
Oh, I love 70s style. So like largely, wider leg denim, like higher waist. Like it sort of feels bohemian and casual, but in a dressy way.
What's one item you always have in your purse?
Mints, because I talk a lot.
What's your favorite snack in the LTK HQ office?
We had keto bark for a while. That was really good. I really just love all the drinks. We have so many drinks. I always tell the team that I want to be up to date on whatever the coolest ones are. And so let's refresh constantly with the coolest brands, and getting to try those out is like part of the fun of going into what we call the early bird.
Mountains or beach?
Oh, I'm a mountains girl.
What advice would you give younger Amber when she was first thinking of launching LTK?
Move way faster.
What should we expect from your keynote this year?
This year, it's all about tech. You're going to hear a lot about AI and about community building and how those two things come together on the LTK platform.
And finally, what is your best piece of advice for a creator who hopes to come to Con someday?
Set a goal, work with your LTK team. Every single person who's here has done that. They all dreamt of being here and they've all made it, and you can do it too.
Thanks so much, Amber.
Guys, I'll see you on stage at LTK Con.